This is a POE switch. They are mostly required in IP CCTV installations whenever you are using an NVR that has only one LAN or Ethernet port. I will in this video explain the important things you need to know about POE switches in relation to IP CCTV camera installations. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification button. To start with, I will want to define what the acronym POE stands for. It is simply Power over Ethernet. A POE switch performs two main functions. Number one, it allows devices connected to it to communicate or share data or information. That is why when you connect cameras and an NVR onto a POE switch, the camera videos are shared with the NVR, and the NVR helps to display the videos from the cameras. It is the same situation with internet access, whereby when internet is connected to a port on a POE switch, the internet is shared with cameras connected on that POE switch. An example is what you see here, whereby the videos from the camera will be received by the NVR because both the NVR and the camera are connected to the same POE switch, and by the principle, they will be sharing data between themselves. The number two function of a POE switch is that because it has the power over Ethernet function built into it, it is able to power up devices like the CCTV camera through the network cable. So it is right to say that the power over Ethernet technology enables an Ethernet cable to carry electrical power that is capable of running devices successfully. So as you can see, the camera is powered up using just the network cable connected to the POE switch without needing a separate power supply. In order to have effective and efficient data and power transmission to and from the POE switch, the Ethernet cables that are used to connect devices to the POE switch must not exceed 100 meters in length. POE switches come in various capacities. There are 4 ports, 8 ports, and even beyond. You will have to select it based on your project size. POE switches can either be manageable or non-manageable, but in IP CCTV installations, the non-manageable, or what is popularly called plug-and-play POE switches, are most preferred since they are affordable, simple to use, and yet work effectively. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. There are very interesting videos about CCTV on this channel. Please visit them and watch them.